He's big.
Oh, wow.
He's trying to go on the boat. Oh, he's definitely in the 60s. No doubt.
What a fish.
Look at that thing.
All right, step back.
Watch out, dude.
Go ahead, bring it up a little more, so a little more line up. There we go.
Look at that hog.
Bring it back just a little bit. There we go. And
I got the stick.
oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect. All right. Come on, fish. No, don't do it.
I got a hand on each end.
Okay, cool. All right. Try and guide that fish right on in.
Look at that monster.
Let's go. Here it goes. They usually feel that net the first time, and they don't want it. Good. All right.
Ready?
Come on. Let's go back here. I got the net.
You got it?
Yep.
I'm gonna come around these rattles.
Yep.
Got it?
Got it. All right. And on three.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby.
What a fish.
Hell
Hell
there we
Hell
go.
Man.
Your tape's not long enough. It's longer than your tape.
Oh, no, that's a 120-inch tape. Oh, you're talking on this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, silly me, I'm not.
What a fish. What a fish.
Easy fish. Easy, buddy.
I'm going to put the rod up as soon as he's out here. As he puts the rod down, he's in the boat. Feel free to collapse. Are you ready to hook it?
All right. Now that is a freshwater monster. There is a lamprey mark. Little one, but a lamprey mark.
Strange place for a lamprey, man.
Look, right on the top of his back, eh?
Yep. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, hold that right at 0 there. It is 60. I gotta scoot the whole thing forward. 64 on the dot with 8.
That way you do it right behind his fin.
Actually, it's a little bigger.
It's a little better for the back.
Yeah, right by the
right about
lamprey
there.
bite.
29.
Go on a little bit back around that bite. I think he's fat.
Yeah, 29 and a half, 29. Yeah. All right.
Beauty.
You want to take pictures of that?